Dear students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. I am Sri Kumar. The class is for 7th standard students. Subject is mathematics. Let me begin the class.
Dear students, the topic is multiplication and division of integers. You know that what is meant by integers. Integers are known to you. What are integers? Integers are those numbers which we consider between both sides of 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This was the introduction of integers to you. That means earlier we were counting only 1, 2, 3, then we included 0, then we started using numbers below 0 with negative sign. Altogether we named as integers. And you also studied about addition and subtraction of integers. Just a revision of it from your textbook. You know that 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. And 10 plus minus 5, you will be writing the difference and putting the sign of bigger absolute value. In this case it is plus, no need of writing. Again minus and plus, so naturally the difference is 1 and the sign of bigger absolute value is 1, negative, so minus 1 is the answer. Here both are having same sign, simply add, write as 9, put the same sign, and it is negative 9. And here one is positive, other is positive, but the operation is subtraction. Whenever there is subtraction, we know that 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, but mathematically we will change the sign and add. As they are different in their sign, the answer is 5. Different sign, difference, and the sign of bigger absolute value. Here the last one, again 8, change the sign and add. So we will add by changing the sign of this. This is equal to 3. That means the answer is 11. Go to 6th standard textbook to get the statement regarding the way of addition and subtraction of integers. And subtraction is having only one rule: change the sign and add. That means the rule will be of addition after changing the sign of the number which we wish to subtract. Please be very clear. Don't learn as if minus into minus is equal to plus, or that creates problem in higher classes. Never your textbook advice to learn like that. Okay, now we will go ahead. What is more, something more over here, write a number in each bracket to obtain answer 3 in each operation. Oh, your answer should be 3, then what should be written here? Minus, negative 6 is here, and you need to get 3 over here. If you subtract 3, again negative 3 will be remaining. To make negative 6 into 3, you should first make it 0 by adding 6, then another 3 by making it positive. So you will put 9 over here and your answer will be 3. Understood? Now 4 minus, simply subtract 1, you will get 3. 7 is a positive number, you need 3, then you should keep 3 with 7. That means you will only you will have a negative 4 over here. It will do the function because difference is 3 and bigger absolute value is that of 7. Now you are having 3 over here, you are having a subtraction sum. Thoda care lena hai. Subtraction sum will be changed into addition as per rule, and you need to get 3 over here. To make minus 5, 0 plus 5, another 3 for it. So you will be adding 8 over here. That means you will be getting answer 3. That means you will be getting 8, which is equal to 3. Again minus 8 is given, you need 3 over here, positive 3. That means you will be making it 0 by plus 8. Another 3 should be added so that it will become positive 3. 9 minus 6 will be 3. So this is a practice for you, not for me. But as you are away and I am away, so there is no other way but to explain you. But you have to do it yourself. In your textbook it is given. Now multiplication of integers, the first stage where we know about multiplication of integers. Here integers are positive, this is positive, multiplied, and we know the answer is 15. The meaning of 5 into 3, we also know that very well. Suppose the number is negative 5 into 3. It will not be the 5 into 3 and negative 5 into 3 will not be same. 5 into 3 means 3 times we are adding 5, right? And we are getting 15. Multiplication is a repetition of repeated addition. So in that case we will be adding 3 times minus 5 and you will be getting the answer minus 15. Signs are same, simply add and put the sign. So you will be having minus 15 over here. So we got an idea about how it works. We understand that if the signs are different, simply multiply. 15 is 15, but instead of positive we got negative here. So the rule comes in such a way that if they are having like sign, here you got like same sign है, तो you get positive है, लाइक साइन पॉजिटिव, इतना भी याद रखो, पूरा स्टोरी में आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. अनलाइक साइन हो गया इधर, ये मुझे बोलना था आपको, तो आपको आंसर मिल गया नेगेटिव. चलो, we will think about another situation. Minus negative 5, the same one, but instead of 3 it is negative 3 again. So negative 5 into 3 is answer is minus 50. तो इसका ऑपोजिट होना मांगता है आंसर, बट हाउ इट कैन बी स्टडी अबाउट इट. ये सिंपल है बट अप्रोच समझना जरूरी है. नेगेटिव 5 वी हैव टू multiply by 3 means we put 3 times minus 5. Here also we should put 3 times minus 5, but here 3 times you are subtracting minus 5. Here 3 times you are adding minus 5. Here 3 times you are subtracting minus 5. तो 3 times minus 5 subtract किए तो क्या होगा? We have to think about. Subtraction बोले तो तुरंत हमारा दिमाग में आ गया साइन चेंज करके ऐड करना है. So we changed the sign to add. We are adding, but by changing the sign. So we got the answer 15. तो बराबर हो गया ना, इसका ऑपोजिट मिल गया. -5 into 3 -15 है, तो -5 into -3 is equal to 15. तो एक रूल वापस आ गया, सेम रूल आ गया. What is it? Like sign, same sign positive. इतना याद रखें, अनलाइक साइन नेगेटिव, इतना ही रूल है उधर. चलो इसको ज़रा और स्टडी करता हूँ. इफ़ यू जस्ट द सेम वन, व्हेन देयर वाज नो 5, 0 5, व्हेन 1 5, 2 5, 3 5, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. When it was -5 3 times, again -5, again -5, again -5, we were adding because multiplication is repeated addition. -5 added 3 times, no problem. We got that also. There is a situation 5, we are multiplying with the -1, that means one time minus कर रहे, second time minus कर रहे, third time minus कर रहे. Because of this sign, addition became subtraction. So naturally we got, because of that reason, -5. यही हालत हो गया इधर भी, you got -50. Okay, because of multiplication is addition, but because of negative sign over here, -5 is subtracted. ये situation इधर आ गया. All these 5 became negative because of this negative sign. Okay, so that is the situation. Now think about next situation. Here it is, number itself is negative, and again you have to one time subtract, second time subtract, third time subtract, means you are having a situation like this. And subtraction means change the sign and add, so you will be getting 15. The same thing I told in a different way, but you should understand that one basic thing is that positive into positive, in this case answer is positive. Here negative into positive, your answer is negative. Here it is positive into negative. सब लोग यही याद करके आंसर लिखते हैं, but how did we get it is very important. Negative into negative, you got positive. इधर आपको नेगेटिव इंटू नेगेटिव बोलना है क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन है ना. सो दिस इज द रूल एक्चुअली. If you had this, the thing is over. But how it happened? If anybody asks why negative into negative is positive, so negative number, again and again if you subtract negative number from negative, so negative number खत्म होके positive में आ गया. बस इतना अभी आप समझ लीजिए, बहुत कुछ है इससे खेलने को आगे. Now this is from your textbook, I don't want to do, but I just want to show you to conclude. ये conclusion आपको ये करके भी ला सकते हैं. मतलब इधर negative, both negative, you got a positive, both negative, you got a positive, negative, you got positive, negative and zero, positive and zero is zero ही आएगा. Negative into positive, negative, negative into positive, negative, negative into positive, negative, negative into positive, negative. इससे आपको ये टेबल भरना है. Understood? So you will have this in your textbook also, and here when it is almost same things are given. You don't have to worry about it and complete the table of -6 and -7. Okay, very good. Here one thing is very clear, when both are like sign, I will write over here, like signs, same sign multiply positive, unlike sign negative. ये आप पहले भी पढ़ चुका है. इंटीजर्स को भी वही है, लेकिन इंटीजर्स में क्या है, इंटीजर्स इटसेल्फ इज हैविंग साइन, इसलिए ये इश्यू इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके okay, your textbook itself has given this, so there is no need of me writing and again be very clear about it and be very sure about it. Chalo, we will go for division of integers. Division of integers means actually it is opposite of multiplication. That is a way of presenting it and explaining it, but I am going to follow your textbook. One positive integer to be multiplied by another positive integer. It is divided by 6 divided by 2, very simple. 6 divided by 2 you will write, and you will write the answer 3. And if it is 5 divided by 3, you cannot simply write it, you will write it as 5 divided by 3 only. Both are positive, there is no issue. It is a fraction, no issue. If you want, you can write it as 1 3 are 3 and 1 and 2 upon 3. You can represent it on a number line if you want. All these things are known to you. Do divide any positive integer by a negative integer. Positive integer by a negative integer. ये अभी कैसे लिखूँ, 7 upon -2. But there is a problem. There is a custom. Custom हमारे लाइफ में भी है, custom हमारे मैथमेटिक्स में भी. What is a custom? Custom. What is a custom? When one integer is divided by another non-zero integer से divide करते हैं always, write the denominator of the quotient as positive. कभी भी डिनोमिनेटर पॉजिटिव करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, मैं एक सिंपल मैकेनिज्म बोलता हूँ, आप -1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. मल्टीप्लिकेशन तो पढ़ चुका है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, दिस इन 7 into -1 -7 and this will become 2. So this way your answer would be very simple. Simplest way of converting the negative sign of denominator to positive is multiply it with -1. तो न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगा, ये आपको मालूम है. If numerator and denominator is multiplied by the same number, value change नहीं होगा. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल है. 2 upon 3, if you are multiplying both with 2, it will become 4 upon 6. इसका मतलब 2 upon 3 है. Correct? So there is no issue like that. You will follow that. Then you divide a negative integer by a negative integer. उधर भी ये issue है. We have to change. -13 upon -2 लिखना पड़ेगा. Multiply with -1 and -1 so that you can change the denominator. तो अभी इधर क्या होगा, both are negative, like sign पर 13 हो जाएगा, इधर 2 हो जाएगा. So this way you will solve it. So my dear students, it is about a division of integers. Division of integers, only thing is that you divide, and here also, after doing this, your answer will be negative. Here the answer will be positive. That means one thing again I have tried. Ultimately, during division also, if both are positive, that means like sign, your answer will be positive. मतलब negative into नहीं अभी, negative divided by negative will be positive. Positive divided by positive will be positive. Now here if one is positive and divided by negative, or one is negative divided by positive, in both the cases your answer will be negative. इतना आपको याद रखना है. सिंपल मैकेनिज्म में बता दिया, रीज़न आपको मालूम है, रीज़न ढूंढ के परेशान मत हो जाओ. We cannot divide any number by 0, that is one rule. The quotient of two positive integer is positive number only. Quotient of two negative integer is also positive, like negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Sign की बात कर. The quotient of a positive integer and negative integer is always negative. One positive, another negative. Naturally, it will be negative. This much only you have to keep in mind, and like always, you will be doing the exercise yourself. Doing the exercise means, what does it mean, my dear student? Doing the exercise is having a meaning that making yourself perfect. कुछ भी काम, एक्सरसाइज, प्रैक्टिस, इसका सब मीनिंग एक ही है, आप परफेक्ट हो जाएंगे. परफेक्ट होने के पहले आप खुद को चेक कर देंगे, मुझे आता है क्या, and how you will check whether you can do it. And your exercise is so formulated that starting में simple पूछेंगे, बाद में थोड़ा complex पूछेंगे, but ऐसा सोचो कि मुझे करने होएगा और हो जाता है. अगर आप रेडीमेड आंसर के लिए गए, फिर कौन सा एक्सरसाइज करेंगे? सपोज एनीथिंग इज टॉट टू यू. आप भी कभी आपके पेरेंट्स को या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को मोबाइल कैसा यूज़ करना है सिखा रहा, आपके हाथ में रख के मोबाइल रख के उनको बताएंगे ये बटन दबाने का, वो बटन दबाने का, ये बटन दबाने का. थोड़ा टाइम के बाद वो खुद नहीं करेगा तो नहीं होएगा. द सेम वे इफ़ यू आर नॉट डूइंग मैथ्स योर सेल्फ, रॉन्ग होने दो ना, वापस करेंगे. साइकिल चलाने को बार बार गिरने के बाद सीखा था ना. सो यू विल डू इट योर सेल्फ. दिस इज माई स्लोगन आफ्टर एवरी चैप्टर, एवरी लेसन में ये बोलते ही रहूँगा. अनटिल एंड अनलेस यू टेक द टाइम ऑफ डूइंग इट, यू विल नॉट लर्न. ये गारंटी है. सो मैथ्स के केस में खुद करेंगे, गलत करेंगे, फिर ठीक करेंगे, खुद करेंगे, गलत करेंगे, ठीक करेंगे, एंड यू विल बिकम परफेक्ट एंड यू विल एन्जॉय इट. आपको आंसर मिले तो आपको पहले मालूम पड़ते, फिर बाकी लोगों को मालूम पड़ते, फिर टीचर को मालूम पड़ते, फिर मार्क मिल जाता है. एनीवे, इंटीजर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इंटीजर्स, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिविजन अभी आपको हो गया. एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन 6th में, मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिविजन अभी, मतलब आप मैथ्स में एक नेक्स्ट लेवल में पहुंच गए. Okay students, thank you.
Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.